we own a boat. It sits right behind us. We left for a trip to Europe, and as we came back, the shore power tripped and we lost all our batteries. 4 batteries were $1,000, not to mention the environmental costs. So I was thinking, well, easy, there's got to be a product. I can just connect to my batteries and it would just let me know, you got to do something about your batteries. So I started looking around and found some products, but they all had their shortcomings. You had to pull wires, they were super expensive, subscription based, dedicated GSM contract. None of them really suited my needs. I've asked around and just no one had the solution that I really wanted to use. So being in the software industry for the past 20 years, being a coder myself, I gathered a team and we created Fluid. Fluid is a wireless sensor platform. It is then simple to install. Fluid's hardware consists of a base station, which connects to the internet via Wi-Fi, and a battery sensor, which connects to the base station with a low-energy wireless link. Fluid can be installed by anyone within minutes. Connect your base station to a USB power source, connect your sensor to your battery, and follow the setup process. We've spent a lot of time on the user experience. It is intuitive, uncluttered, yet powerful. The base station being equipped with a GPS, location tracking can be set up with geofences. We think we've achieved a powerful yet simple way for commissioning rules. You will be instantly notified if your Fluid installation has triggered one of your geofences or voltage limits rules. It's been a very challenging journey, but we've made it. Fluid is working. It's been installed in different locations. It's been tested. All it needs now is to go into production. And this is why we need you. We need you to pledge, so join us.